Drunk last night, we drank the night before. We gonna drink tonight, we're happy as can be. Cause we are the member of the Tau Gamma Phi, which is the best fraternity, supreme fraternity. Over and over the whole country, we will die for the name of our fraternity. We are proud that we are Tau Gamma Phi. When the speeders come to criticize our frat, we'll to die for the Tau Gamma Phi. We love Tau Gamma Phi, we love Tau Gamma Phi. Triskelion Grad Fraternity is our fraternity. Will to die for his name, will to die for his sake. We are proud